Okay, let's take a start with your IELTS speaking test. Do you work or study?
I am home lady.
Okay, so let's take a start. What is the most popular means of transportation in your hometown?
The most popular transport in my hometown is the bus, autos, and bikes.
Okay, now this is a very short answer, and you should use signpost language. The most common modes of transportation in my hometown is bus,
Bus.
first of all, and a lot of people use buses. On the other hand, we also have autos, and finally, there is that cab service, Uber or Kareem. So these are the most, something like that. Okay, give a full answer. How often do you use public transport?
Mostly, I use public transport because when I don't have a private transport, then I mostly try to use public transport. Even I feel that I will stop. It will stop most.
Okay, there are two things which you are missing: clarity and organization. Organization means how to
How to
start and
start.
how to finish proper, and clarity means I don't understand what you want to say. Okay, so focus that as well. Can you or what are the advantages of aeroplanes?
I think so. In my opinion, I prefer to train.
I'm not asking about train. I'm saying what
I
are the advantages of using aeroplanes?
If I'm talking about aeroplanes, in aeroplanes we can save our time. First of all, the services of plane is very good, and we can reach our destiny very carefully,
Okay,
safely.
destination. Is driving to work popular in your country?
Yes, of course, driving is very popular in our country because most of the people are their own services and they use it, and that's why they all use it.
Okay, do you think people will drive more in the future?
It's depend on the time. Most of the people will be use it because if I am talking about the public transport, mostly it's a time taking thing, and that's why people mostly prefer to use the
Okay,
public transport.
so you need to organize your answer. There must be clarity and you should have confidence to answer. Then we've got grammatical mistakes, like you said, it's depend. It is always it without s and depends. It depends.
Okay.
Then you said people will be use it. Will be and use it. No, people will use it. Right? You can say it will be used by people, passive voice, but otherwise people will use it. Above all, I would say you lose your confidence. That's the main thing. You should learn to face the examiner. Right? The actual examiner is going to be more fearful than me, more scary than me. Okay? So you should learn to face the actual examiner. All right. Thank you.